Hey y'all, I'm Amelia Presley and I am going to be trying out another hair product by Nutree Professional. Unique Step, Amazon list, protein smoothing brush. I didn't brush my hair today. That seems to be a theme every time I make a video. I don't brush my hair that often anyway. I mean, I do, like if I'm going places, I brush my hair. If I have to be in society and like a part of civilization, then I usually brush my hair. I don't have to do that right now because of the pandemic. So I can probably really use this stuff right now. I'm gonna take my hair out of this braid that's been hanging out. First I'm gonna like brush out my hair because it's, ouch. Okay, so the first step is to just apply the brush to the hair. This brush. There's not a brush in here. Confused. I'm probably reading something wrong again. There's not a brush. I don't know where I got that from. Okay, so that's just the name of it. It's just called a protein smoothing brush, but it's not a brush. We're just gonna apply this to the hair. There are no gloves this time, so I'm assuming that this is safe to be on my hands. We'll see. It smells so good. Oh. Bottle's gonna be enough for all this hair. I am not a hair guru. I usually wash my hair with whatever shampoo and conditioner and then I just let it dry naturally. I don't ever even style it or anything. This is the second product that Nutree has sent me to check out. I'm not someone who does any maintenance to their hair. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is if I can do it, then you can do it. And if it works out good for me, then chances are it'll work out good for you. My hair it does tend to be kind of damaged just because I don't take that great of care of it until people send me products and then my hair's like, what is this? You're taking care of me. I don't know what to do. I haven't even had a haircut and actually I'm trying to get a haircut right now and no one is answering because the coronavirus pandemic is happening, so nobody's open. So the one time in like 3 years that I want to get a haircut, I can't. I'm just gonna use this whole bottle because I've got so much hair. My hair is really long and really thick and just a lot of, I'm gonna need to use the whole bottle. If you have shorter hair, you probably won't use the entire bottle. My hair is down to, my hair's down to my waist, so I'm having to use the whole bottle. But if you have, I mean, even hair up to here, you'd maybe use half a bottle. If you have super short hair, you'd probably use even less than that, so you could get a couple of uses out of it. Make sure that I really get it on the ends, because my ends are tragic. It doesn't say to brush it or anything, it says just apply it and leave it on for 40 minutes. I'm gonna put it in like a little ball thing and I'm gonna set a 40-minute timer. The next step is to just rinse it 50% and then after I do that I'll blow dry it. This is taking a million years! Alright. The next step is to divide your hair into 4 sections. I don't have enough clippy things, so it's gonna be real podunk. I can count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do it. Count the door. Gonna brush my hair some more. Already looks better. Should take a really long time to dry though. Oh, this is gonna be real cute. Mickey Mouse ears. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Next, we are going to flat iron 8 to 10 times from the root to the middle of the hair. Make sure that your flat iron is from 380 to 450 degrees and lower heat than that if your hair is super damaged. Mine is not adjustable. It's a really old Chi, literally from probably 12 years ago. Kudos to Chi because it's lasted a really long time. Granted, I don't use it that often. Then we're going to flat iron the ends 4 to 6 times.
So root to middle 8 to 10 times, the ends 4 to 6 times.
There's a lot of math in this. Told me in school that I'd need math. I just thought to myself, I'm not gonna really need math, but here I am. Math.
Wow.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is pretty awesome. I mean, y'all saw my hair before and this is my hair after. I've never done a keratin treatment on my hair. I've never gone to the salon to get that done either. This is pretty cool. Do I recommend this? Yeah, I think I do. I think we all saw how frizzy my hair was at the beginning of this video and how nice it is now. I will put a link to Nutree Professional Unique Step Amazon List Protein Smoothing Brush. It is a hair straightening Brazilian keratin treatment. 1-step Amazon List Protein Smoothing Brush. I have to read it off the bottle because I can't remember things and there's a lot of words.